Good morning. So yesterday we took off from Colorado BDR since there was stage 2 restriction in Colorado, like all over Colorado. We couldn't put any campfires, uh, nothing, like no sort of fire in the forest. So we thought, like, what's the fun in not having fire? Then we jumped on to Utah, and here we are in the Goblin Valley State Park. And surprisingly, there is a stage 2 restriction in Utah as well, so we didn't have any fire yesterday night. But it was, I think this is the fourth night of the camp, and we haven't showered for like 4 days straight. So we thought, like, we'll find a developed campground and have some showers and just freshen up for the rest of the trip. This is a beautiful campground. Let me pan around. It's really beautiful. We unexpectedly stumbled on the state park with all the amenities and beautiful views. Today's plan is to head for Capitol Reef National Park, do the Cathedral Valley and some 4x4 roads there, and probably find a campsite in the national park if there is, or else we'll find something dispersed outside the park. Right, the Goblin Valley, a lot of little goblins. We're hiking to the Hickman Bridge.
Some water, Coke,
Yeah,
bottle Cokes.
and this is the Fremont River. Yeah, it's only 0.9 miles, but the heat is killing. Alright, let's head on. There is the Hickman Bridge, the reveal. This is an interesting rock. Going down, this trail is just killing me. It's only freaking 2 miles round trip. I think the heating is getting to us. So here we are at the end of the trail. It's just 2 miles, but kicked her ass for sure. We are on the BLM land, close to the Cathedral Valley. That's our campsite for the night, and that's Black Mountain right there, and there's the beautiful sunset, and here's the Cathedral Valley. Hey there, here we are at the 5th night of our camping trip. We are right outside Capitol Reef National Park on BLM land. That's our campsite right there. So this morning we went and saw the sunrise on the Temple of the Sun and Moon. It was pretty spectacular. So So that road that goes to the Cathedral Valley, oh, it kind of sucked the soul out of our trucks and our life too. It was so washboarded we couldn't go over like 2 or 5 miles per hour, something like that. It took us forever to get here. Yeah, the road was pretty bad. We didn't lower our tire pressures. Yeah, didn't want to bother with it. So we kind of took it slow. But overall, the scenery is pretty spectacular. We just found a campsite right outside. I mean, right close to the road. Actually, I don't know if you can see in the video, but you can actually see the Temple of the Sun right there, around there. So yeah, we actually saw the Milky Way yesterday night. It was pretty clear. Yeah, Utah didn't disappoint. So today we'll be heading to Moab. We'll do the Arches National Park, hike in there a little, and then head on to White Rim Road and camp there tonight. And today is going to be the last night of our trip. Tomorrow we'll be heading home. A long way home to Michigan. Alright. Here is an interesting thing. So somebody got stuck with a dead starter motor. So we pulled him out, and since it's a manual, I think he was trying to bump start it. So we also gathered in a recovery in this trip. So I think it's pretty good. We are on the White Rim Road. We're gonna go down, take that road, probably do like 30 miles or so, camp there for the night, and come back the same road up. Too bad we don't have time to do the whole route, but yeah, someday. Here are vehicles. That's the Forerunner, and that's the Frontier. White Rim Road is just beautiful. Kind of winds down over this ridge. To the bottom of the canyon, I think. And you see the trail over that distance right there? Yeah, we're gonna go there. last day of the trip. We camped on the White Rim Road, Airport A site. I think we were the only ones here, and we could see nobody around. The sites are pretty dispersed, but I think there are very less people camping in this heat on the White Rim Road. But the site is spectacular. Let me pan around. So that's our site there. It was pretty windy yesterday. We could barely set up our tent in that wind. Yeah, it was pretty bad. Today's plan is to head home to Michigan. I think the whole trip was like 4,000 miles, but it was all 6 nights. We were pretty lucky to get some awesome campsites with amazing views. I think this trip was all about that, so we're pretty good with that regard.